Hi, my name is Tim with OS College, and this is a quick video for Microsoft Excel Online. In this video, we're going to be looking at taking some table from data in an Excel spreadsheet and creating a table with it. Quick videos are from OS College are designed to cover one aspect of an application in a short amount of time. So when you create a table from data in a spreadsheet, first you need to highlight the desired cells, and then go to the Insert ribbon, and then simply click Table. And it will come up with this little dialog that says the data from your table in the following range. And then my table has headers. You put that in a checkbox, click OK, and it creates a table. Some advantages of a table are it separates data, the selected data from the rest of your spreadsheet. So this means you can sort. This will allow you to sort the selected data without sorting other data outside the table in the same columns and rows. And it will also allow you to delete unnecessary columns. So what I'm going to do is, this is a spreadsheet about the different gear ratios in the current bicycle I have, and so in the different chain ranks, are divided into columns, and I'm going to put those as column headers, the different chain ranks. And what I can then do is I can select this row to erase, because this row is unnecessary, but I don't necessarily want to erase the information in that's outside the table. So you simply select the cell in the desired row, then go to delete, and then table rows delete. And you can also do that with columns. Let's say, for example, I was going to erase column 3, and I had some information in it that I wanted to delete, and I would just simply, I want to erase this column, but I don't want to erase this information here. So I select this when it's in the table and delete, and it deletes the column without information, but keeps outside the table the data is kept. So those are some reasons why you might want to create a table out of data in a spreadsheet. This quick video from Microsoft Excel Online from OS College has been about creating a table from data in a spreadsheet. To learn more about Excel Online, watch other videos on the OS College YouTube channel, and you can subscribe to receive notification of future videos about Microsoft Excel and other applications we cover, such as LibreOffice, the other applications in the Microsoft Online Suite, and Google Office. There are other applications as well. You can read articles and watch more videos about these topics on the OS College website. You can also check us out on our Facebook page. Thank you for watching.